In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unusual activity detected error in ElevenLabs. If you're getting that message when you try to open or use the app, it often means some stored data on your device is confusing the app's security checks. The quickest, cleanest way to reset that is to clear the app's local storage and cache. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get back in without the headache. First, locate the ElevenLabs application on your device. This is the icon you normally tap to open the app. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. If you have a search function on your device, typing the app's name can help you pull it up instantly. Next, press and hold the app icon. Keep your finger on it until a small menu or set of options appears. Most devices will show shortcuts or a small info button when you long press an app icon. From that menu, choose App Info. This takes you to the detailed settings page for the app. You'll know you're in the right place if you see options like notifications, permissions, and storage. Now tap storage and cache. This section shows how much space the app is using for temporary files and saved data. It's totally normal for this to grow over time, and sometimes that data can become outdated or corrupted, which triggers errors like the one we're fixing. Tap clear storage. On some devices, this may be labeled Clear Data. This fully resets the app's local data, including cached files and save preferences. Before you do it, know that you'll be signed out and any locally saved settings will be removed, so make sure you remember your login details. Confirm when prompted. If there's also a Clear Cache button, clearing storage already covers it, but it doesn't hurt to clear cache as well. After that, open ElevenLabs again, log in, and use the app as you normally would. Because we remove the old local data and tokens, the app will create fresh ones, which usually resolves the unusual activity warning. Give it a moment on the first launch. It may take a bit longer as it rebuilds needed files. If everything loads correctly, you're good to go. If the message still appears, double check that your internet connection is stable and that you're logging into the correct account you normally use with the app. Most of the time though, clearing storage is all it takes to clear up the error. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick reset got you back on track.